Working on the Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we're gonna change the starter, which is down in there by the oil filter. And so we're gonna have a 1/2 inch for this nut here, 5/16 for this one. You've got 2 bolts. The long one is gonna go in the front, and the short one will go in the back underneath, and that is both 15 millimeter. Here we are after the starter is installed. Wires are hooked up on there, and on the bottom here's a look at the final installation here. Bolt on the top at the back of the transmission.